Top 10 Most Beautiful Places on Earth, a nature lover's dream. 10. Australia. The Great Barrier Reef's kaleidoscope of colors underwater is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a natural marvel. 9. Switzerland. Snowy peaks, crystal clear lakes, and charming villages make this a scenic wonderland. 8. Brazil. The Amazon rainforest teems with biodiversity, featuring dense jungles, winding rivers, and unique wildlife. 7. Canada. Banff National Park boasts stunning alpine scenery, glacial lakes, and rugged Rocky Mountains. 6. Norway. Fjords, waterfalls, and snow-capped peaks adorn the picturesque landscapes of this Scandinavian gem. 5. New Zealand. Majestic mountains, lush green landscapes, and pristine lakes make this a nature lover's dream. 4. Maldives. Pristine white sand beaches, turquoise waters, and vibrant coral reefs create a tropical paradise. 3. USA. The Grand Canyon's vast, colorful cliffs and deep canyons awe visitors with its breathtaking vistas. 2. Japan. Cherry blossoms bloom in a burst of pink, creating a stunning spectacle in springtime. 1. Iceland. Northern lights dance across the sky in this magical wonderland of glaciers, volcanoes, and geysers. Thanks for watching.